looks like a regular court day with Amber and her team. But you see, not everyone in that group is actually a part of her team. One of those individuals was actually from the insurance company Amber was banking on, the same one that is now suing her, along with another company over the verdict that was passed on the case, and now some new information has just come out about it. And things for Amber might have just taken a major detour for the worst. Interested in knowing where that case currently lies? Then stay tuned to this video to get the full gist.
If they are responsible for paying out the judgment for this trial, that will guarantee that Johnny Depp gets paid. So, yeah.
As you can tell from that video, this whole topic has been pretty hot on social media, and it's been different kinds of reactions from all over, with some also having pretty great reasons for their views. But seems like all of that just went out the window as new details about the case have just come up, and things aren't looking too good for Amber. For a while now, the Depp Heard case has more or less been the talk of the town. But you see, while all of that was ongoing, there was also another case involving the actress that was also going on under the table. The new case, which began almost immediately after the Depp Heard case ended and resulted in the actress being obligated to pay Depp over $10 million in damages, has now come up once again, only that this time, it came with a major update. According to new revelations by celebrity reporter Laura Bokov, the insurance companies have now filed new suits which require Amber to actually be part of the legal case they made against her, which is weird because, according to them, it's basically been her lawyer handling the entire case because, as the lawyer put it, it would be stressful for her to deal with two cases at the same time. These were the words of her lawyer, but these insurance companies don't seem to care the least bit about it, and considering what led up to this point, we can't really blame them. You see, at the beginning of all of this, New York Marine and General Insurance Co. filed a lawsuit against the Aquaman actor in a federal court, seeking to avoid having to pay Heard after her unsuccessful defense of the defamation lawsuit brought by her ex-husband. The insurance company said in the lawsuit that it doesn't believe it has an ongoing obligation to defend Heard. Another insurance company is also providing coverage to Heard. An actual controversy has arisen and now exists between plaintiff on the one hand and Heard on the other hand, with regard to the duties and obligations owed between plaintiff and Heard under the policy with respect to indemnity for her actions in the Depp case, New York Marine said in its complaint. Basically, because of the ruling, which found that Amber had defamed Johnny with the intent to cause harm. They are saying that, by law, it nullifies all obligations they have to the actress on the payment of the money awarded to Depp and other bills relating to the Virginia case. Later, another insurance company, Travelers Commercial Insurance, revealed that it has spent and continues to spend substantial sums for Heard's defense under a homeowner's insurance policy it provided in 2018, according to court filings. It is now pursuing New York Marine for its share of the costs. Travelers said in its complaint that New York Marine should have to pay at least half of the defense costs. The homeowner's policy Travelers issued to Heard in 2018 includes covered or potentially covered damages because of defamation and promised a defense to any lawsuit seeking such damages. Even though the case has been a big deal for some time now, a lot of people were still pretty confused by the recent update, like this user who asked, in layman's terms, what does this mean? But expectedly, some other users with legal experience were quick to come to the rescue, like this user who replied saying, it means if Amber loses, she'll be staying in Israel not by choice, implying that Amber might literally have to move out of the US completely to avoid going to jail. Well, we don't exactly know how things will end up in this case, but from the looks of things at the moment, Amber just might be at the short end of the stick. Regardless, we'll find out soon enough. Remember that these are based on research and theories and should be regarded as such. That's it for now, guys. I'll see you on the next one.